Turn the brightness of your phone to its maximum brightness. Then insert the tail plug. Insert the cutting film onto the rotating shaft. Install the indicator needle. Then rotate the PVC film. Observation screen. Until there are no grid patterns on the screen. The current angle is 5 degrees. Set a parameter for material size first. Can be added. 185乘125 mm storage. Then select this parameter material size and return to. Then set the cutting angle. Angle is 5 degrees. Point start cutting. Unlock sensitivity. Front high definition side view protection.